Hello, homeowners. My name is Franco Martinez, and I'm your local real estate agent in Torrance. Are you looking to boost your home's value without breaking the bank? Forget about costly remodels. It's the low cost, high impact improvements that can significantly increase your property's worth. Let's get started. Tip number one, declutter and clean. Eliminate the clutter, grab a mop, and make your space shine. This simple step can magically enhance the perceived value of your home by up to 5%. Tip number two, paint with purpose. Refresh stingy walls with light and neutral colors. This not only brightens up the rooms, but also creates the illusion of larger space, potentially giving you a return on investment of 100% or more. Tip number three, upgrade hardware. Replace tired cabinet pulls, doorknobs, and faucets with sleek, modern options. This budget friendly facelift for your kitchen can yield an impressive ROI of 2 to 300%. There you have it. Deep cleaning, painting, and hardware upgrades form the trifecta of high returns on investment. If you're thinking about selling your home or just want to know its current market value, click the button, What's My Property Worth Today? And I'll send you a detailed report. Thank you for watching. I'm Franco Martinez, your local real estate agent in Torrance.